If you're still waiting for the new year to change your life, listen to me. You will never change. Because the mindset you need is not, I'll start on January 1st. The mindset you need is, I start today, right now. How you enter the new year depends only on the habits you build before it arrives. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 winter arc habits, physical, mental, and financial, that will completely transform your life before 2026. Winter has already started. We don't have time to waste. Let's begin. Each of these 3 categories, physical, mental, and financial, has 3 habits you need to start this winter arc. So let's begin with the first one, physical arc. Your health is the foundation of everything. If your body's weak, your discipline becomes weak too. Number 1, wake up early plus cold shower. Waking up early gives you a head start on the world, and taking a cold shower trains your mind to do difficult things before the day even begins. This one habit builds discipline faster than anything else. Number 2, exercise. You don't need a gym membership. Just move your body every single day. A stronger body makes your mind sharper, your confidence higher, and your energy unshakable. Number 3, fix your diet. No sugar, no junk. Your body can't grow if your fuel is garbage. Cut sugar, avoid useless snacks, drink more water, and eat clean. Everyone becomes lazy during winter. This is exactly why you must not. Mental arc. If the body is the engine, your mind is the driver. Fix both. Number 1, no phone for the first 30 minutes. Don't start your day consuming other people's lives. Start your day controlling your own mind. This one habit will fix your focus and reduce anxiety. Number 2, read 10 pages every morning. Books make your mind sharper. Reading gives you clarity, ideas, perspective, and mental strength. 10 pages a day equals 300 pages a month equals a new you in 2026. Number 3, do one hard thing daily. Study for 30 minutes. Take a cold shower. Do a deep work session. Choose one difficult thing and finish it daily. Winter is quiet. Use that silence to rebuild mentally. Financial arc. Winter is the best time to build your financial foundation. While others relax, you grow. Number 1, learn one new money skill. Choose one. Video editing, graphic design, coding, AI tools, affiliate marketing. Winter gives you time. Use it to build a skill that pays. Number 2, winter spending rule. Pause before you pay. Before spending, pause for 5 seconds. If the purchase still feels worth it after the pause, buy it. If not, leave it. This simple pause saves you from 80% of emotional spending. Number 3, save 20 to 30% of everything you earn, even if it's small. Even if you earn little right now, saving makes you disciplined. Savings give you options. Options create freedom. Others waste money during winter. You prepare for 2026. This winter arc is your chance to enter 2026 as a completely different person, not by waiting, not by dreaming, but by starting today. You have 9 habits across physical, mental, and financial growth. Choose them, apply them, and rebuild yourself in silence. Your winter arc starts now.